If you want to set up your Brightspeed modem, well, there are a few things that you need to do. So you want to start by unpacking your Brightspeed modem and making sure you have all the parts. Now, modem itself, the power adapter, a DSL or fiber cable, and an Ethernet cable. Double check that your setup area has a nearby power outlet and a phone or fiber jack. Now, if you have a DSL service, you want to plug the gray DSL cable into the wall jack and connect the other end to the DSL port on your modem. Now, if you're using a fiber internet, plug the Ethernet cable from your ONT or optical network terminal into the WAN or Ethernet port on the modem. Now, you want to connect the power adapter to the modem and plug it into the outlet. Wait for about a minute for the lights to come on, which tells you the modem is booting up. Now, the power and internal lights should turn solid once the connection is established. Now, you can connect your device either with an Ethernet cable directly to the modem or wirelessly using Wi-Fi. Now, default Wi-Fi name, SSID, and password are printed on the sticker at the back or bottom of your modem. On your connected device, you want to open up the browser and want to go to the following address, going to be 192.168.0.1. Now, this is the modem's configuration page. Now, when prompt, enter default username and password, usually admin and admin, or printed on the modem's label. Now, by the way, if the address doesn't work for you, you may want to look at the underside, or you want to refer to the manual to see what's the address for your admin page. Now, from then on, just follow the on-screen steps or instructions. The modem will automatically detect your service and connect to Brightspeed's network. Once done, try loading a website, confirm your internet's working. If the internet light says red or flashes, start the modem and check your cables. And that's about it. Hopefully this video was able to help you like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.